What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again. You know, a lot of times I always kind of voice my opinion, and I probably should reel that back a little bit from time to time. If you are selling something, doesn't matter what it is. If it's an electronic item, don't ship it in a bag, okay? I don't care what it is. It just doesn't make any sense to me that you will take something that has somewhat fragile components in it and you're going to ship it in a baggie. Blows my mind. Anyway, we'll go ahead and open this up. Ended up picking this up off of eBay. I'm going to tell the seller and say, hey, you know, this isn't acceptable. And I told the guys, hey, you know, I collect the stuff. Make sure you ship it or pack it pretty good. And he said he'd take care of it. Well, this isn't quite taking care of it. So anyways, he did bubble wrap it pretty good here. So we'll open this up here. Still, you know, the eBay needs to have like a packing tutorial. When packing electronics, pack this way. When packing collectible items, pack this way. Glass, pack this way. Nope. Not in this day and age. Everybody wants to ship it as cheap as they can so they get the most profit. And you know, I don't blame them. I do that from time to time too. But it's something like, if I'm going to ship a car part that has no moving parts and let's say transmission mount or a motor mount, you don't need to box that thing to the hilt. So anyway, here's what we've got. It doesn't look like anything's really bent up or messed up. Rockford fosgate OEQ-1 active equalizer. So this thing, I don't know if this thing works. The seller didn't say that it did, but it was priced in such a way that one would have to assume that it works. So let me bring this back a little bit so you guys can get a better look here. So handcrafted in the USA, Rockford fosgate, gain controls. This, I'm going to have to take it apart and try to clean up the knobs and stuff in here. Does have the kind of speckled finish to it. I don't know if you can see that or not. The textured finish. Power wires are kind of short. They're pretty stiff and it feels like it's pretty brittle. This is going to have to be fixed, which isn't a big deal. I plan on probably never using it, but it's hard to say right now. So, but there's this. Once again, if you're shipping something, stuff like this, if you pack it in a poly mailer like what one of these is, okay, if you don't have anything else to ship it in but this, wrap the item in cardboard or something to help protect it. This is just thin metal here. As you can see, somebody over-tightened this. Oh, what happened there? My camera froze up. Somebody over-tightened this and it's all bent here. So there you go. This side isn't too bad, but it's stuff like this. This whole thing could have been bent up. It could have poked a hole in the bubble wrap. Then I wouldn't have gotten my item. It would have been lost somewhere and somebody would have picked it up and gone, oh, what's this? I'm going to sell it on eBay. So anyway, quick video. Hopefully it was a quick video. So hopefully this will be a teaching of maybe how not to pack stuff, because it seems like a lot of my videos nowadays are kind of like that. Anyway, have a good one, guys. If you have any questions, I'm gonna hook this up and see if it works. Then I'm gonna test it out. I may end up taking the case off. I may do like a guts shot video of this, but we'll see. That'll be at a later date. So if I get a decent amount of views or likes or anything like that, then I'll take it apart and do a video. But for now, I'll just clean it up and pack it away. So have a good one, guys and girls.